Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe for latest updates. Today I will let you know how to make these beautiful crochet slipper socks which are very easy to make. I am using 100% acrylic yarn and 4 mm crochet hook for making these socks. So let's start. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Then we will start making chains for 35-36 UK size. We will make around 40 chains. Rest you can decide as per the feet size of your feet and the length of the yarn and the of the crochet hook. I am making total 35 chains. After making the chains, we will skip the first stitch and in second one we will make a single crochet, and from these onward we will make single crochet in each stitch till the end. We have to make single crochet like this till the end of this chain. As we are making single crochet in each stitch till the end, we will make chain 1 and flip the pattern. Now we will make yarn over, pass the yarn through first space, yarn over and pass the hook from these loops, yarn over, take the thread like this and pass the thread from these two loops. We have to repeat the row like this only. Yarn over, take the yarn and pass through this space. Then you will see here this pattern is coming on the front like this. You have to repeat the row like this only. In the last we have to make chain 1 and flip the pattern. You will see your pattern, beautiful pattern will come like this, and again we will start making single crochet in each space. And after making single crochet in each space, we have to repeat this pattern. Total you have to make around 8 inches to 9 inches of the width as per your feet. Your final rectangle will be ready like this only. Once your rectangle will be ready, then we will start sewing it this pattern, and you will see I am sewing for the right feet. You have to take this side like this, and you have to keep the another side which is on the top a little bit of smaller length. We will stitch it from here, then we will sew it from here, but make sure this length should be smaller than this width, and we have to attach. When we start stitching this portion like this, we will keep this portion inside and this portion plain one outside. As we kept earlier, we will start from here. And we will stitch it like this. Then we will make it tight. But we have not to make this too much tight here, as this is the portion where we have to put our feet. So we will make it little bit tighter here, and we have to quickly divide this portion. Then we will stitch it from the top. After stitching this, you will see from here that our front portion is stitched. Then we will take the thread out and keep it here. Then we will start stitching the back feet portion. For stitching the back portion, we will like this, we will stitch here from here till center, little bit slanting and then straight, so that these socks will not come out of our feet. after coming into a half, we will start stitching it straight. You will see here we have stitched it in a slanting way, and we will also complete it in a slanting way. This you will see how your back portion is ready, and this is the front portion. Here we will sew it like this, like a triangle. We will sew it like this, and our socks will be ready like this. Then from the top, with the balance thread, we will start stitching here from the top. You will see this is how the socks is ready. I will make one more from this to this side stitching, and then we will attach the buttons here of our choice, and your beautiful slipper socks are ready. If you like my video, kindly click on the like button and share it with your friends who are doing crocheting. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.